Good morning, ladies, gentlemen, and welcome. Thank you. Can you see what I'm holding here? It's a simple can. Usually, those cans contain something sparkling and refreshing to drink. But over the last years, cans for sale containing precious air have become a huge success. Inside this can is air too, but it's not just any kind of air. This is the essence of a very special wind we have captured, pure and pristine. A veritable breath of fresh air that's ready to be released and to manifest itself as a force of strength to be reckoned with. Free to go where it wants, when it wants, without any restrictions. Let me tell you a few things about this special wind and why it is relevant for us today. It has the power to blow strongly and to bring something new, exciting, and dynamic to a fading, tired, and stale environment. It originates in the Mediterranean, to be precise, in Italy, and it blows strongly towards north. It can change from gentle to gale force strength in an instant. It can occur during any season of the year, any time, day or night. It is a free spirit. It stimulates change and is renowned for bringing enjoyment and excitement. It can blow with ease through cities, over sand dunes, and through forests and mountain passes. It is a force of nature that truly merits respect for its capabilities. It is a wind of determination, diligence, and desire. And it is called Levante. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why Levante is the name of the new Maserati we are here to present to you today. The Maserati of SUVs. Like the sound of enjoyment you have just heard when I opened this can. Levante will breathe new life and dynamism into the world. It is the wind of change, both for Maserati and for the luxury SUV market. It is a force that will shift people's attitude, that will shift and bend their senses. It is unique, powerful, and very capable. And by the way, it also speaks with a voice that is destined to be heard. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, today Maserati embarks on a new journey. With the launch of the Levante, and compared to 2013, when Maserati covered only a 20% share of the global luxury car industry, we can now address the global luxury market in its entirety. We will now be propelled forward by a sensational new movement that will not only see Maserati meet the growing needs of customers around the world, but offer something uniquely distinctive and exclusive. Demand from customers in the SUV segment has grown by over 40% in the last 5 years. In the largest luxury car segment, with annual sales being made to over 500,000 of working professionals, business executives, entrepreneurs, and families all around the globe. Our proprietary architecture, which already carries the Quattroporte and Ghibli, was conceived from the very beginning with the modularity and capability to develop a high-performance and fully capable SUV, a new and first ever SUV from Maserati that fully represents all of our core value. Levante, a new Maserati with exclusive style, sporty yet elegant design, will set a new benchmark in terms of luxury and performance, coupled with outstanding capabilities relative to the best current alternatives in the segment. With total commitment and determination to deliver once again the best and once again the opposite of ordinary, we present this genuine new member of the Maserati family, Levante, like nothing else out there. Levante, that means also state-of-the-art, breathtaking Italian design, exclusive and truly unique. Finest materials and refined, handcrafted finish for superior touch and feel, up to a 100% Zegna silk interior. Many high-tech features, including all essential advanced driver assistance systems. Performance combined with efficiency. Best-in-class road handling, as well as full off-road capability. And Levante has an incredible responsiveness. Its center of gravity is the lowest in its class, and it provides an outstanding level of strength and stiffness, combined with a perfectly balanced 50-50 weight distribution. Like Quattroporte and Ghibli, it features our own exclusive and intelligent lightweight chassis, a mix of high-strength steel, aluminum, magnesium, with double wishbone layout for the front axle and multi-links in the rear. It boasts our Skyhook adaptive dampers, coupled with an exclusive, sophisticated air suspension system that is standard on all versions. It provides 5 different levels of ground clearance for driving, as well as an additional one for parking. All this guarantees maximum enjoyment and driving experience. From the chicanes of the Monza racetrack to the snowy passes of the Italian Alps, all the way to the ancient rough roads of Western China, to America's breathtaking long-distance drives. Levante is powerful and extremely capable. A Ferrari-built V6 twin-turbo gasoline engine powers the top of the range. All our engines are paired with our proven yet refined 8-speed automatic transmission, and all Levantes will be equipped with Maserati's intelligent Q4 all-wheel drive system that, thanks to its advanced torque vectoring characteristics, control a dynamic, intelligent, and lightning transfer of up to 50% of its torque to the front wheels. It completed a grueling testing program that covered millions of kilometers on on-road and off-road terrain across 5 continents. Everything from the hot climate testing in the Middle East, where daytime temperatures soar up to 50 degrees Celsius, to the extreme cold climate testing in the 35 degrees below zero temperatures of northern Sweden. But this is not all. Levante gives the luxury of choice to our customers by allowing them not only to fully customize the interiors, from sport seats upholstered in premium leather to our exclusive Zegna interiors in pure silk, but also driving experience by changing the vehicle setup. From engine response and sound to suspension stiffness and ground clearance. And inspired by our sports car heritage, It's a beautiful creation that typifies what we stand for today. A sculpture on wheels that has the segment's most aerodynamic profile, coupled with the broad shoulders of a GT and the stance of a genuine sports utility vehicle. This car will give customers around the world a truly unique alternative to the rest. How about performances? Up to 430 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 5.2 seconds, and a top speed well over 260 kilometers per hour. And it will, of course, be available with a turbo diesel engine with 275 horsepower and an alternative twin-turbo gasoline version with up to 350 horsepower. Well, up to now, we spoke a lot about what Levante is and what it can do. But you may wonder how it makes you feel. The Levante gives owners the ultimate in elegance, convenience, and comfort. A luxury SUV yet allows for the release of the untamed, the freedom and passion that allows you to be drawn towards great expectations.
It's hungry muscles and cold, fixed eyes. Its claws stuck deep in the curve. It's the growl that shakes the gravel off the road. It pounds out a rhythm. It sends weaker creatures running. It escapes everything but its soul. Its very existence might make you ask, why did we build an SUV? That's the thing. We didn't. We built a Maserati.
Wow. Thank you. I think these videos, it makes it clear. Levante is what I would like to call the alpha of the luxury sports utility kingdom. With the history and strengths of the Trident in its claws, owners will be able to navigate without being intimidated by its surroundings. It truly offers the best of both worlds, where opposites attract and complement each other. Raw meets refined. Passion meets high-tech. Comfort meets luxury performance. On-road meets off-road. Like a tailored sport coat that can be worn on any occasion, from ski weekends in Aspen, Colorado, to La Scala Theater in Milan in the spring. Levante is the perfect dress for any time and any place. We said we wanted this car to reach above its segment, and now you know how. The new Maserati Levante stands for everything this brand has accomplished. It will hit showrooms starting in May across Europe, Asian markets from July, and then in North America in September. The starting price in Switzerland will be 75,900 Swiss francs. But what makes the Maserati mark special and what makes Maserati special is something that money can't buy. It has history that began on the medieval cobblestone alleys of Bologna and reached the hearts of enthusiasts all over the world. The story of Maserati is an extraordinary one that encompasses adrenaline and suspense, defiance and passion, and always pushes forward. It is a history rich with heroes, but perhaps none shined brighter than Maria Teresa de Filippis, the first ever female Formula One driver. More than a talent, more than an ambassador for the brand, Maria Teresa was the spirit of the brand incarnate. Although we have to our dismay lost her, her legend remains. As the poet Maya Angelou once said, I have learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel.
Nella mia vita sono stata stimolata da molte persone, ma soltanto da un tipo di automobile. Per me la sensazione provata guidando una Maserati è stata una delle fonti più costanti di piacere nella mia vita e non ho dubbi che lo sarà anche per te. Sono veramente felice di aver passato la miglior parte della mia vita in gara e alla guida di quelle che per me sono le migliori vetture mai create. Credi a qualcuno che lo sa, i più fantastici chilometri sono tutti davanti a te.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a brand with an obligation to those who have made it what it is today. We have a duty to take Maserati to new places, to share a fabled brand with new customers, to allow the winds of change to carry Maserati into new territories. Because wherever Levante takes us, we know that there are some legends who are always along for the ride. Thank you very much.